All right, it's Monday, April 19th. We're here at a little pull-off at a place known as the Devil's Tramping Ground. Looks like the Devils even took the time to leave a little porta-john for you here, in case you have to go to the bathroom when you're visiting. Yeah, we're going to take a look at this place today. Legend has it that the devil comes up at midnight, tramps around in a circle, devising ways to destroy mankind. And the way things are going here in 2020, 2021, he might be winning. So anyway, let's go up in here and let's get started. You can see a lot of people like to do graffiti coming here. Probably got a lot of Satan worshipers coming here. Who knows? I came here a long time ago. My buddies back in the 80s, and you couldn't even find it, and there was no pullover right there. We had to ask somebody where it was. And it was a lot more overgrown than it is now. So it looks like a lot of people come in here and paint all over these trees. 6, 6, 6. See what else they got here. There's the tramping ground right in the middle where that fire pit is. That's where it's supposed to be. 6, 6, 6 all over these trees. Up the side down crosses. Pretty weird if you ask me. None of this was here when I came a long time ago. Yeah, the legend or lore has it that the nighttime the devil comes up here. He starts walking in a circle. Round and round he goes. All night long, devising ways to destroy humanity. Round and round he goes. You know, as I stand here and look at this place, I can just think back in time. Some people around this area probably did something wrong, needed somebody to blame it on. So they probably came up in here and found this little spot where it looked like nothing would grow. Made up a little legend about the devil that come up out of the ground every night and walked around in a circle devising ways to destroy mankind. And went back and told that legend to everybody. Yeah, it wasn't us that did it. The devil made us do it. But I have a feeling the devil's in all of us. And that little devil's on one shoulder, that little angel's on the other shoulder. And today, most people seem to be choosing the devil over the angel. Right or wrong, good or evil. And we're making the wrong choices, that's for sure. Yeah, we always want somebody to blame it on, but we do it to ourselves. Then we come up with little stories and legends like this. Yeah, the devil's tramping ground. Been here a long time. Like I said, I came in the 80s a long time ago. Me and my buddies went on a road trip, come up in here. We was going to find it. We did. Had fun. Had this old car we had customized, do road trips in and stuff. And we left here late that night and headed toward Myrtle Beach on a road trip. I can remember that car was a convertible. And I can remember drinking and being all drunk, kind of half asleep, and halfway down I woke up and there was flames all around the car. I was like, what in the world, you know? We just left the devil's tramping ground. Here we are in hell, you know. But we drove through an area where there was a forest fire. And I'll never forget, we stopped at a house and told the guy that was living there that the fire was getting off close to his house. And he said, oh, it's all right, we know about it, we're good. And so we went on to the beach and went down to Myrtle Beach like a bunch of fools, and slept on the beach that night, woke up and came on back to the house, and we came back the same way that we when we passed through that forest fire. And sure enough, that guy's house was burnt down. So maybe he should have listened to a bunch of old country boys. We wasn't so dumb after all, but I guess seeing us all in that old crazy car we built and half drunk, he probably thought we were fools, and I guess we were. Yeah, you used to go down to Myrtle Beach at that time. It wasn't nothing down there in the winter. It was winter time when we did this. You can go down there and there wouldn't be nobody there. We didn't stay there long, just long enough to get some rest, turn around and come back. But yeah, like a lot of people, we came up here to the devil's tramping ground. We wanted to face off with him. Found just a campfire with some beer cans at the time. It's actually cleaner, but I don't like all this graffiti. You can see a lot of people write 666 on the wood. So I don't know. Maybe the devil has been coming up here. Seems like it these days, but I think we can shake him off. I think we can do better, and I think we will. I hope so. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short little walking tour of the devil's tramping ground. Tramping around here with me. Starting to warm up here. It was cool earlier. We're going to go on out and get back in old Rev, my RV. Maybe we'll head on over and find us a town to check out and see how the businesses are doing in there. If I can't find a town, I might find a hiking trail to do. You know, I like to do both of those. So if y'all enjoyed this little adventure with me here today, like, subscribe, and share. Y'all take care.